Alright guys, there's date and time on the Garmin Frontier 620. And right now we are here at 2640 Patriot Boulevard in Glenview, Illinois. And right there, believe it or not, is the shaft for the elevator that this building has. Now I have a hunch that based on this window, this might be a glass elevator. Let's go see if that's the case. So to get into this building, you have to enter through this way. Now you notice that this is now you'll notice that here you got an automatic door, but when I go up to it, it doesn't open. That's because you have to push this button. Or maybe the building's locked. I'm not supposed to be in there, but who knows? So you push this button, door opens, and you're in. And it looks like we got a Schindler HC 338 Premium elevator to ride. So let's go on and do that. Button's all dirty. At least it's not sticky. And here's our elevator. Now wait to determine when this elevator was installed for Schindler elevators is looking at this airlock. And it looks like, according to that airlock, this elevator was installed in October of 2005. So this elevator is 17 years old. So I'm going to go with the 2. Ooh, it's very dark in here. Here are 2. Anyway, this elevator has not been used in a while. Anyways, here we're up at 2. Now let's send down to 1. And see how it is on the way down. Your cab view. Yeah, looks like a decent elevator though, but wish it was a little brighter than it is right now. Yeah, there's one light that's trying to light up, but barely able to do so. Here's the indicator right there. Fire service instructions. Here's your COP. Here's your phone. Here's your inspection certificate if you want to pause to read. So I thought this elevator would be scenic, but it doesn't look like it is. And just read level 2. So let's see if you can see from outside. If possible. Does not look like it. Oh man, this would be a lot more interesting if this elevator was glass, but that doesn't really seem to be the case. So yeah. And also, for all you fire alarm enthusiasts, if you happen to be watching this video, you got an HC fire alarm bell, and the model is an 1120. Maybe the brake is not both no appliances, I'm not exactly sure. But you got also got a Spectre Alert classic strobe unit. And I'll show you the fire alarm system that's in the building, just for the hell of it. Now push this button, open the door. Got a Firelight BG12 pull station. There's another one right there. System sensor speculator classic horn strobe. And a firelight annunciator right here. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Oh yeah. Also got either a notifier or a firelight smoke detector. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that'll be it.